anything else, I just want to say thank you to all of you for being with us. Sa tanda ko ba naman ito, nauuto ko pa kayo. Kalain yung nabubudol ko pa kayo. Sa tanda ko pang ito, ngayon ko pa naisipang mag-miniskirt at mag-rock and roll. Why not? I just want to say that this is such a wonderful opportunity to be able to do this concert, this kind of concept. I've never done this before. I would sing, mga rock and roll songs every now and then in my concerts. Siguro mga isang medley. But I never really had the strength, to actually, ang galing ko na nga ito. Hindi ko di alam kung ano ito. Halika dito, bakla. Bakla ka ba? Hindi. Hindi. Tagalin mo na. Tumerno ka pa sa akin, ha? Kakahiya naman sa'yo. Ayan, thank you. Salamat, ha? Ayan. Where was I? Ano yung sinasabi ko? Ano yung sinasabi ko? Pasensya. Pasensya. Nakakalimutin. Matanda na. Yeah. Hi! Oh my gosh, it's Michael. Teka, ulitin muna natin from the top. Nakadating lang yun. Yeah, I never had the courage actually to do this kind of show. I don't know why. Kung kailan ako tumanda, medyo insecure ako sa boses ko. Tsaka ako naisipang gumawa ng concert na ito. But anyway, thank you. Thank you for being here. For allowing me to entertain you. And for allowing me to do this kind of concert. So, let's rock Moa Arena. How's that? Now, let me introduce to you OPM Rock and Roll.